Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the research chamber in Astroneer. This is especially useful for gathering bytes, which are then used to research other modules and items. So to begin, we want to go to the research tab, go to the medium printer, scroll down to the second row, and the first thing is the research chamber. This is going to require 400 bytes to unlock and 2 compounds and 1 resin to craft. To get the compound, it is going to be found on every planet on the surface, and to get resin, it is also found on every planet on the surface. So make sure you've got enough of these materials and go to a medium printer. Here, go to the second dot, and on the first spot here you'll find the research chamber. So go ahead and craft it. This is going to take a while, and while it's crafting, you'll also need a large platform where you'll set the research chamber on. So just go to the medium printer, the fourth tab, and in the first position you will find the large platform for 2 resin. So go ahead and unpack both of these things, and just place the research chamber on the platform, and then just connect the platform to a grid to power it, just like this. And then you can just place any kind of materials, let's say copper, inside of here, and press this green button to start researching it. And this is going to give you some bytes. So this is pretty much all. How to get the research chamber in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.